Hey friends, if you wish to sort Google Drive by file size, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So let us open Google Drive. Okay, this is my Google Drive and I have a lot of documents and everything here. Now, why would I want to arrange the documents and files by file size? The main reason is that what if I wanted to delete the bigger files from my drive? So in that case, here's what you have to do. On the list on the left hand side, select storage. Okay, now this will arrange all of the files by storage. Click on this downward pointing arrow associated with storage. Okay, first it will show everything by the opposite order, like smallest first. When you click on it again and it's downward pointing, then it will show it by the one which is largest at the top. And then if you wish to delete something, then you can select it and hit the delete key. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.